What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And right here we are just going to review this Upsa Daisy. It's pretty cool. I already have one, but I use it for one of my fountain features. I never showed y'all that fountain feature, so one day I might put it back together. But anyways, I am going to use it for its actual purpose. And this is to keep your pot from having full soil. Some of y'all may not have enough strength to lift up a full pot, so if you want to use half a pot but you still want the big pot, this is the perfect thing for you. I got this from Amazon, but if you're shopping around Lowe's has it, but it's very limited in Lowe's. So Amazon do have it. I will put a link in the description, but I'm going to use it for my bonsai today. And this is a 12-inch, just to let you know, and my pot here is a 14-inch. I'm just going to test it out. I do have more pots out here, but this is the pot I usually use with my bonsai. It's time to do it's time to do some pruning and not rechange the pot, but it's time to take it out because of the roots have taken over, and you will see that. If you haven't watched my past videos, I did this before, especially on my Instagram and stuff like that. But yeah, and if you didn't know, I'm a plant guy also. I like my plants. So let me go ahead and get into this. This is a 14-inch bowl, and there goes the 12-inch going in here, which I thought it would be a little bit higher up, so maybe I should have got a 14. No, but if I would, no, maybe I should have got I don't know if they have 13-inch, but I should have got a little bit bigger. But that's the 12 and 14, and I'm gonna be honest, I still got three inches of space. So I have 3 inches of space on the bottom, which is not bad. Alright, you guys, I'm about to hit back upstairs. It's time to put some water in here so we can let this thing establish its roots and be healthy. Now, if you have any questions, put it in the comment section. I had my bonsai for 4 years now, 3 to 4 years since I moved in this place, and I had this bonsai from Walmart when it was a little baby, a little puppy bonsai. Now I'm just doing this just in case I need to put some more dirt in here. Yeah, and this soil is the soil from Sam's Club, the one that's potting soil. It's about $10, but this stuff is draining very fast, and that's due to having that Upsa Daisy. That's the end of my review. Just want to let y'all know that that Upsa Daisy did take a couple of pounds off of this thing. Yeah, so if you're not into lifting the whole pot, getting one of those Upsa Daisies is the trick. Alright, you guys, that will be all. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.